In this video, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts using your computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. At the top right, click on the Create button, then select Upload Video. A new window will pop up where you can either drag and drop your video file or click on Choose from your computer. Make sure your video is in vertical format and under 3 minutes long so YouTube recognizes it as a short. Now it's time to fill out the details. You need to add a title and a description. These are both required. If you already have a playlist, you can also add your video to one here. Next, choose your audience, whether it's made for kids or not. After that, click Next. You'll see the options for video elements, but for shorts, you can usually skip this. You'll also see Check for copyright issues. Just wait until it's done. Finally, choose how you want your video to be published. You can set it to public, private, or schedule it at a certain time. Once you're done, click on Publish. After publishing, YouTube will give you a link to your short. You can copy it and share it right away. Let's go check it out.
If your zipper breaks, you can easily fix that at home with...
And that's how you upload shorts to YouTube using your PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.